Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 8th April 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the confluence age is the most elevated age. It is during this age that you souls meet the Father, the Supreme Soul. This is your true Kumbh Mela. Question: which lesson can only be taught by the Father and not by a human being? Answer: only the one Father teaches the lesson of becoming soul conscious. This lesson cannot be taught by a bodily being. First of all, you receive this knowledge of souls. You understand that we souls have come down from the Supreme Abode as actors to play our parts. The play is now ending. This drama is predestined. No one created it. This is why it has no beginning or end. Song is Awaken. O brides, awaken. The new age is about to dawn. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. In order to become the most elevated human beings, you must not listen to evil things which would make you degraded. Only listen to this unadulterated knowledge from the One Father. Number 2. In order to become free from attachment, make full effort to become soul conscious. Your intellect must remember that this old world only causes sorrow. Therefore, you have to forget it and have unlimited disinterest in it. Blessing for today. May you have an elevated reward and experience the ascending stage by remaining aware of all your attainments of the confluence age. Details are: the speciality of meeting God and of receiving God's knowledge is in having imperishable attainments. It isn't that the confluence age is just an effort-making life, and that the golden age is a life of the reward of that. The speciality of the confluence age is that you take one step and receive 1,000 steps of help as your reward. So, it isn't just effort but it is also an elevated reward. Constantly keep this in front of you. By seeing the reward, you will easily experience the ascending stage. Sing the song, I have attained what I wanted to attain, and you will be saved from choking or nodding off. Slogan is: the breath of Brahmans is courage with which even the most difficult task becomes easy. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Remain constantly victorious with the awareness of the combined form. You saw Father Brahma. He always experienced himself to be combined with the Father, and also gave that experience. No one can separate this combined form. Such worthy children constantly experience themselves to be combined with the Father. No power can separate them.